Hello friends, today I am explaining about what is plagiarism, what is similarity check between document to document, what is difference between plagiarism and similarity check. Plagiarism is imitation, copying of someone else's work without giving them their due credit. Also plagiarism is the copying of ideas, text, data and other creative work such as tables, figures and graphs and presenting it as original research without proper citation. As you know, plagiarism is a serious violation. It comes under copyright infringement, which means use or production of copyright protected material without the permission of the copyright holder. Day by day, there are many cases of copyright infringement. So, for this purpose, we should check plagiarism and similarity check of our research work, research document, and research paper before submitting it to any publication house for publication. So first we should know about plagiarism and different cases of plagiarism. So different plagiarism cases like copying someone else's work without citing them properly, paying an external writer essay mail to write the essay on your behalf, stealing ideas and verbal conversation and presenting them as own work, copying data from websites, library work books and other sources, using someone else images, music, videos, and even style of writing in your own work without their explicit permission. So all these cases are punishable plagiarism. So we should always give due credit to research work done by existing authors, researchers by using proper citation. In literature work or review work, it is expected that authors should write literature or review work in their own language. Do not copy the content as it is available in existing sources or references. So there are different type of plagiarisms like direct plagiarism, which means copying someone's work word by word without giving credits, like without citing that work. Self plagiarism, copying or producing your own previous work. Also, it is called as unintentional plagiarism. Then, mosaic plagiarism, quoting someone else's work without quotation mark or changing the language of original work. Accidental plagiarism, unintentionally forgetting to cite the original work, mosquitation, etc. And last one is outsourcing, means paying SMEs, friends, hiring article writers, bloggers to write on your behalf. These are the type of different plagiarism. There are many plagiarism tools available online for identifying similarity between document to document. Here I am using word similarity check because plagiarism tools available only find similarity between the documents. It does not find idea or concept or invention stolen from other sources. So for that purpose, all publication house, whether it is elsewhere, whether it is Web of Science, whether it is Indus Science, all journals of this publication house define the maximum similarity check allowed in any research document. So it may vary from 5% to 20% maximum. So means any paper should have a maximum 20% of similarity check. But in that case also, there should not be more than 5% similarity from single source. Here I am discussing 5 most used plagiarism tools, such as one is iAuthenticate, another is a Turnitin, third one is a Viper, fourth one is a Scriber, and last one is a Plagiarism Checker X. Okay, all these I have taken these 5 plagiarism tools because in that iAuthenticate and Turnitin, These are most widely used and adopted by the worldwide renowned universities and publication house. So if I am going to check the pricing of all these 5 tools, so here I have just visited to Authenticate website. Here I am going to check the pricing of the single document. Here you can check before submitting your paper or article for plagiarism check or similarity check. You need to pay $100 for one document. Here I have mentioned one document credit charge for any file submission. That file or your paper should have maximum 25,000 words, and that for single document you need to pay $100. This is for authenticate. Second is the Turnitin. Same Turnitin and Authenticate are these both plagiarism tools belong to one company. The pricing of both the Authenticate and Turnitin plagiarism tool is same. Third one is a Wiper. Uh, Many people already knew Wiper was previously free of charge. Means n number of document you can check using the Wiper, but now Wiper has started to take fees for the checking the similarity for particular document. Here again, if I am going to check the pricing for the single document, here they have mentioned a single paper with maximum 5,000 words charge rupees 278 for Wiper. Here I have mentioned one document submission up to 5,000 words. Pricing is rupees 238. Next is the Scriber. Here again you can visit the website for the Scriber and check the pricing for the rates for the Scriber document similarity check. You can find out a single document with maximum 8,000 words. It charge $151. Here I have mentioned Scriber one document submission up to 8,000 words. It charge USD 151. And last one is the plagiarism check. Plagiarism checker X, which is used by many academicians and students, as it comes with lifetime license. If you go through, you check the pricing of this plagiarism checker X, you can find out the it charge rupee USD 39.95 per lifetime license. Means once you purchase this license, you can check n number of documents without any problem. Plagiarism checker X, multiple document submission and the lifetime license pricing is $40 almost. Okay, other available tools also there. Grammarly is there, Whitesmoke is there, Dupli Checker is there, plagiarismcheck.org is there, a WordPress plugin is also there. Then Unicheck is there, Plagiarism is there. These all tools are available. Some of them are free of charge, but they have some limitation of number of words used in particular research paper or research document. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates.